Welcome back to MJR Limited Training Services and Consultants. It is the company that delivers different services as we have discussed in the first episode. The company office is located in Gakiriro Business Center, Kigali, Rwanda, and second floor of NEZA Plaza, and office 05. As we have agreed in the first episode, when we discussed on the introduction of our courses through the online here on the YouTube channel, we have agreed that in the following session we will discuss on the registration of businesses. Today we are going to discuss on company registration and enterprise registration, and also the taxes registration, and see how all are complementary or related, or the relationship between the registration of a business and the registration of taxes. Without taking much about all the introductions, let us go straightly to the registration of businesses. When you are going to start a business, you are obliged to register your business as it is mandatory by the law. Today, we are going to discuss on company and individual enterprise registration, and also to the tax registration. Based on the law number 020/2023 of 31st March 2023 on tax procedures, on its Article 11 says about registration duty. The law says that to the subject to the provision of the other laws that we are going to discuss after later this topic, a person who set up a business is required to register his or her business with the Registrar General. When you say the Registrar General, it is the registrar who approved the registration on RDB, Rwanda Development Board. The registration is done through the online on the website of RDB. We will see it, how it will proceed later. However, a person who carries out commercial activities which can generate taxes has the responsibility to register with the tax administration. When we say the tax administration, it is automatically the RRA, Rwanda Revenue Authority. Also, a person who carries out taxable activities whose turnover, when we say turnover, it is the total sales of the year or previous year, exceeds 20 million or 5 million per preceding quarter, is eligible to register for value added tax, which is called the VAT, within or not exceeding 7 days from the end of previous month, unless his or her business is exempted from value added tax. We will see later which business or which activities or goods or services which are exempted for value added tax in coming sessions. A person who is not required to register on that value added tax type should be, accordance with the law, or register voluntarily on that value added tax. We will base also on the law 019/2023 of 30th March 2023, amending the law number 007/2021 of 5th February 2021 governing the companies. Only in its article 13, it indicated the application for registration of businesses. But here it is indicating some exception to the domestic business registration, where the law indicated that a foreign company that establishes a place of business with Rwanda applies for registration within 10 working days of the establishment of a place of business. It is somehow different with the domestic tax registration, where we have said that it is within 70 days. For the foreign companies, I repeat again, which come to establish its business in Rwanda, they have to register within 10 working days. There is also other amendment or other new law. It is number 006/2021 of 5th February 2021 on investment promotion and facilitation, as we have discussed earlier on the introduction of our sessions on the episode 1. When you register on a business, you will be obliged to pay the taxes, especially on the income tax, but this law has indicated some facilitation and promotion for the investors who will meet the requirements that are established in this law. Or when you register your business, either is an enterprise, it means individual business, or a company, you will be obliged to pay the income tax, as we have discussed earlier. There is a corporate income tax when it is a company, or personal income tax if your business is an individual enterprise. And is registered upon your business registration approval by Registrar General. When you wanted to register your business, as I have said, you go to the online on the website of Rwanda Development Board, RDB, on www.rdb.rw, and then you go straightly to Office of the Registrar General, and you proceed with the business registration. Then you click on online registration, and you proceed to complete all the requirements, including your ID, identification, the address, the managing director, the shareholders, and so on. Also, you can use a passport for the foreigners. So we thank you for taking attention on this session. The next session we discuss on the tax types and how to register on the different taxes, because when you want to register or when you want a TIN for other purposes that can generate the taxes or not, you will be required to go to do application for TIN registration or registration through the tax administration, and you get a TIN. Either you can want to pay tax on employment or register your motor or a vehicle or property tax and the other different reasons that we require to have a TIN which is not used for business. Welcome back on the next session. We are together here on YouTube channel and to our office for the trainings and other services indicated on our flyer. Thank you very much to be with us.